Hello everyone, I'm going to cook mung beans with smoked pork legs soup. It's very yummy. Don't forget to subscribe, likes, please share and leave comment. And hello everyone. First, I would like to boil the mung beans. So as you can see, I boiled the water until it gets soaked. So we call that Mongo. And then the meat, the smoked pork legs, I put the pressure cooker. I boil the pressure cooker, and also I add 2 tablespoons of olive oil and then garlic, also onions, guys, and stir it. So after that, we have to put the smoked pork legs, which I cook the pressure cooker. As you can see, guys, I already sliced some of the meat and lemongrass pressed from my garden. It's very delicious, guys. You have to try it. So that is just like mongo or mung beans. So now you have to stir it again, and you have to add pork broth, which that I boiled the smoke legs, the water, the juice. So now the mongo. So as you can see, guys, you have to try. It's very delicious and super yummy. So now the water that where I boiled the smoked pork legs. So it's very soup because I boiled the pressure cooker at least 30 minutes. So now you have to boil it and add like no seasoning, at least like 2 tablespoons. And 1 tablespoon of fish soup or fish sauce, fish sauce, I'm sorry. And also 1 tablespoon of beef stock or beef powder they call. Instead, I put MSG, I put beef powder. And also 1 tablespoon of black pepper. And you have to boil it. Now it's boiling, so it's ready to add green leafy vegetable. So I add the vegetable here. It's alubati or spinach. So we have to try it. It's ready to put the alubati. So subscribe, like, share, and please leave comment. And don't forget to what do you call alubati fresh from my garden, guys. So you can see it's very fresh, green leafy vegetables and very healthy. So now you have to mix it and bring to boil. And I'm so hungry and I smell it and very tasty, guys. Normally we eat with this rice, or you can eat with soup only, this one only. So now it's ready to serve. Thank you so much for watching. God bless, and to all my silent viewers, subscriber, thank you so much. God bless you, and thank you for support. Please don't skip the ads. Thank you, and God bless. So Now it's ready to serve. We have to separate this inside the bowl or yahong. There's guys, as you can see guys, it tastes good and very tasty guys. You have to try it. This is smoked pork legs. If you have turkey or chicken or beef, smoked beef, then you have to try. This is green beans or mung beans they call. So thank you so much again and again. God bless you all. Now let's eat, and the food is ready to serve.